All right, so from where we last left off, we had created our structured layers and layered and folders. So now we need to install Visual Studio. Where is it? All right. Right. So we go to visualstudio.com, download for Windows 64. That's what we're using here. Then after you properly install all this, you're good. Then we would go to Hashlips, github.com/hashlips. Click on the first one right here, Hashlips Art Engine. Go to code and download zip. Then when you download the zip file, you might need some software to extract it. So either like, what's it called? 7zip, down to your, or WinRAR, yeah, down to your downloads, extract it, put it somewhere where you can find it easily. So like, let's say you just want to put it in the desktop, you can, right? Okay, it's already there. Make sure you also install Node.js, so nodejs.org en. Make sure you use the Windows 64 version. So the LTS, this one, it's all good. All right, so once you've downloaded everything or installed what you needed, either Visual Studio and Node.js, you need to go to Visual Studio, open it up. And you need to install the following extension. So go to extensions, Npm, and you install Npm Support from VS Code. Click the little green button, and also Npm commands for VS Code. You're gonna need them for this. All right. So, so go to File, Open Folder. We're gonna select a clean version of the folder we just downloaded from Hashlips. So go to Desktop, Hashlips Art Engine, select. You're good here, right? This is the original art from the Hashlips creator. We're gonna go to Layers, and we are gonna delete everything here. So top lid, yep, okay. Go to recycle bin. Then we're gonna go to our layers. Oh. All right, there we are. Copy and drag in here. Make sure the order is right. So back. Then go to config.js. Find, actually no, it's, I think index, right? No, main.js. Keep going down. You'll find it here. Oh, okay, I was in the wrong place. Okay, so go to const layer configurations, grow addition. This is the amount of NFTs you're going to create from all those layers. So we're going to do just 10. Now for the layer orders, make sure that everything is matching. So one background is supposed to be one background here. And so let me do that real quick. we need to make sure everything matches, so we're gonna have to add a few of these more. All right, there we are. Then let's add the last two ones. Make sure everything matches, like it's all case sensitive, so it needs to be letter for letter, capital for capital. All right, so with everything named properly, we're good here. Like let's say you create from 1 to 10 those NFTs. If you want to make sure they're shuffled so that they're not in order, you're good. Like we made in the initial NFT creation videos, everything's 512 by 512 pixels, so you're good there. So now let's go ahead and go to terminal, new terminal, select this right here and press npm install. It should work. Ooh, ignore that for now. Actually take that at your own risk. So if this all worked, you're good. Now we put node, let's see, readme, right? So npm install to make sure everything's properly installed. You could also use yarn install, but it's really on you. To make sure this program runs. Let's see, Node.js right here. So once, go back to terminal, new terminal, last, right? Last command, then put this one, Node.js. So, oh, we have an error. Okay, so what's the error? Okay, give me a minute and let's see if I can fix it for you. Layers, backgrounds. So it looks like the layers might be wrong, so let's go to config. Renamed. Oh. Control C. Okay, save. Alright, so we might have not copied this correctly. So let's see if we can do this again. Node.js. Okay, there it is. It was this right here. Alright, so now that we properly ran this, we go to our build images, and here are our NFTs. So, ooh, faceless mummy. Oh, that is weird. Let's go back to the layers. I wonder why things aren't showing up. Let's see, images. There should be even one of those layers here, so let's try this again. Node.js. So there seems to be something wrong. Okay, let me go back to my original location where I had all this stuff. So desktop, NFT collection, Hashlips, folder. I have other videos on this with a little more detail, so you should go into those. There's videos for GIMP, Inkscape, Affinity Designer, and Procreate. So if you have any more questions, go ahead there. So build images. That works. Maybe it's my layers or rarity. All right, let's see. All this. Okay, let me. Delete layers. Okay, let's do this again. Go to config. Make sure this is done right. All right, let's try this with just those 6 layers. Let's see what's going on. Save. Let's take these. No, actually, let's put them back. Let's just go ahead and do them all. It might be an issue with how we set things up from Procreate. All right, there we are. Control save. 10. Go to terminal. New terminal. Node.js have been installed. All good. Right. Go to Node.js. This should be all created. Then go to build images. Something is definitely wrong. See if we select this. It's good. Seems like, why is there white background on all of this? That is really, really odd. Okay, so it might look like, yeah, I think that's the issue. So one thing you should not forget when you're building a Procreate is that there's like a background color layer, and you need to make sure that's off before you export. Otherwise, you're going to get issues just like this. So what we actually really need to do is re-export all your PNG layers again, and then just rename the layers, put them in the appropriate layer folders, and then run this again, and you should be good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll be back in a few minutes. But hopefully this will help you troubleshoot yourself if you have any of these issues. All right. All right, so we've fixed the layer issues from Procreate. We make sure that the white background was gone and replace them all here in our folder. So let's go back to here, go to layers. We're gonna have to delete all of these, but that will be fine. All right, so we dragged our folders that had been updated so that white background was gone, so they're just PNG. Go to config, make sure that this is all good, nothing's really changed. See, 9 outfits, sweet, okay. Then go to terminal, new terminal, npm install. That's good. Run. Right, let's see if this worked. Build images. Ooh, there, Frankenstein mummy. Mummy vampire. Mummy vampire Frankenstein. Weird, different backgrounds. All right then, so there you have it. Our NFTs got created. So Doge Halloween theme NFT creation. So these are our NFTs right here. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your own wallet, through MetaMask, create like a Rarible account, and then how to sell them later as well. All right, so sorry for the errors, but hopefully the troubleshooting will help some of you. Best of luck and have a good day.